In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to make sure your new contact is saved correctly and ready to use. Let's start from your Zoho CRM home screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu bar. This is where you can access different modules like leads and accounts and contacts. Look for the option labeled Contacts. It may appear as an icon with a small person or group of people, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This takes you into the main Contacts module, where all existing contacts are listed. Once you're on the Contacts page, turn your attention to the upper right-hand side of the screen. Here, you should see a button labeled Create Contact or simply New Contact. This is the button you'll use anytime you want to add a new person to your CRM. Click on that button and a contact creation form will open. Now you're looking at a form with several fields to fill in. The exact fields may vary based on how your organization has customized Zoho CRM, but you'll typically see things like first name, last name, email address, phone number, and company name. Start by filling out the most essential information, such as the contact's full name and primary email. These are usually the details you'll rely on most when searching or communicating with this person later. Next, add any additional information that's relevant to your team. This might include their job title, mobile number, mailing address, or the account or company they belong to. If your CRM is set up with custom fields, you might also see sections for industry, lead source, or tags. The more accurate and complete this information is, the easier it will be to segment and follow up with your contacts in the future. As you move through the form, follow any on-screen prompts Zoho CRM provides. Some fields may be marked as required, which means you won't be able to save the contact until those are filled in. You might also see suggestions or autocomplete options, especially if the contact is related